Hi there, it's Paul Boston from Actus Performance again, where we're helping organizations develop high-performing teams and people. I'd just like to walk you through today what I call the performance pyramid. And I use this performance pyramid when I'm helping organizations achieve their goals and objectives on a consistent basis. And this is what a performance pyramid looks like. And I'll just walk you through the different steps within this performance pyramid. But ideally, this performance pyramid is designed for you to be at your performance best, your peak state, if you want to call it, whether you're an individual contributor, whether you're a team, or whether you're managing a team and you want your team to perform at their best. You can see at the base of the performance pyramid are those performance attitudes, values, and skills that I've talked about in previous videos. And if you're not familiar with them, go take a look at those videos to get an idea of what I refer to as the essential performance attitudes, values, and skills needed in our modern day work world. And then the next step after you really understood those performance skills and you start using them is gathering the background information or doing the background work, as I like to say. So it might be looking at previous sales results. It might be doing some research within your industry. It might be meeting and networking with people either internally or externally, depending on what it is you're actually trying to achieve. And then the next step is the initial preparation. So say you're getting ready to present an internal document to the senior members of your organization, and you want to take them through basically how you've achieved your sales results for the past quarter. So your initial preparation might be something as simple as preparing a presentation deck. And when I say simple, I mean gathering the information is probably a good chunk of work and effort. But building a deck is simple. But what really elevates that deck to the next level is the practice. And the practice is where you're going to go through a couple of different versions of what you've created from the initial standpoint, and practicing gets you comfortable with the information, gets you comfortable speaking about it, but it allows you to refine your message and clearly communicate what it is you want your audience to learn. Then the next step is modifications. So you might have practiced rehearsing the presentation deck 2,000 times, and now you want to make some modifications. So maybe it's based on feedback from your colleagues, but you're making some tweaks, you're getting rid of some stuff that's not really relevant to the audience you're speaking to. And then sometimes you want to add another step of practice after you made those modifications. And then once you've done that, you're ready to perform at your best. And when you're presenting that presentation in front of your audience, they're going to see that you've really put some effort into really presenting the information that's critical for you reaching your goals and objectives for your team or your department. One thing to note, at the bottom of this performance pyramid are the performance attitudes and values that I've talked about earlier. And without those, the rest of the steps can be done, but they're not going to be done as effectively and efficiently. So you can spend a lot of time doing the background work, the initial preparation, and practice, and make the modification. But without the performance attitudes and values and skills ingrained in your team going through this performance pyramid, reaching your performance best will be next to impossible to achieve. If you'd like to talk more with me about performance improvement within your organization, please contact me at 416-429-1247 or email me at paul@actusperformance.com. Thanks, and have a great day.